This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, January 21st, 2020. Let's take a look here at Boeing, ticker symbol BA, and I've talked about this recently. It is this look that the stock is giving us right now. You can see the risk here is based on the ultimate Muathe Sell Signal, which is just the reverse and the inverse method to the ultimate breakout method. We can see here that we've already moved to 3-year lows as far as the RSI is concerned. That's not a good look. This is always a risk. And we can see that we have at least one of the MACDs already confirming that it is moving to 3-year lows. So again, we're talking about 3 years here. 3-year lows. Also, we are trading below MACD 0. That's again not a good look. The other MACD has yet to move to 3-year lows, but we only need one of the MACDs to be breaking down to 3-year lows to give us that sell signal look. And again, as I stated, this is the opposite of the ultimate Muathe breakout. Which I call the ultimate Muathe sell signal. Now, that's the look, not a good look. If we take a look at the current chart, you can see, actually, let me go back to the previous chart. So as of yesterday, the stock was trading above 50 on its monthly RSI. Let's take a look at where it closed at the end of the year, this being January. And we can see that at the end of December, the stock did close with its RSI just above 50 at 50.36. Now, here's the big picture look, which is not good. If it continues drifting lower, we can see for now the stock is moving the monthly RSI below 50, currently at about 49.27, give or take. As long as the RSI is below 50, there is a probability of a big down month and the beginning of a major slide in the months ahead. That's the risk. If the stock is to bounce, then the first order of business is to engineer a way to hold the 50 level on the monthly chart. Otherwise, cracking below 50, moving to fresh 3-year lows is not a good look. It's the kind of look you want to avoid because of the potential for substantial losses. And it is also another way of saying could be an opportunity for those who have the appetite for shorting instruments, because the more it breaks, the more momentum is going to pick up to the downside. Also, we can use this late 2018 monthly closing low as a level to watch, because a break below that level, and let me tell you what that level is, and that is at 315.24. Breaking below this number is definite confirmation of high odds of a major drop as far as this instrument is concerned. If it is to survive and not drop below current levels, it needs to hold above that price and start building to the upside. That's the outlook. Big picture doesn't look good. Keep in mind the market has been hot, so if the market is going to cool off, these are going to be the new leadership on the way down. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.